one of our comrades who passed away last year, last September 3. And we dedicated this library and the books in his memory. And on behalf of Bayan, our chair, Carol, is here. We would like to extend our deepest appreciation to Comrade Manuel for all his help and assistance to the Filipino people. You know, we are comforted with the thought that in these times of severe crisis throughout the world, we have solidarity with the Venezuelan people, the people of Cuba, that we are not alone in fighting and resisting imperialism and in asserting national sovereignty and national liberation. So even though we are going to be somewhat far apart in the next few years, we believe that our international solidarity with the peoples of Venezuela will persevere, will continue, and though you may not be in the Philippines anymore, you will remain in our hearts, you will remain our friend, you will remain a friend of the Filipino people. Thank you very much for all your support.